Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a brochure in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the browser here and then you will search for Google Docs basically and hit enter, and then click on this first link here, and then from here click on this go to docs option. And after this you need to just select the blank document from here, so wait it to be appear, and once it's loaded up, just click on this blank page here, and this will insert a blank page in the Google Docs for us. So first of all, basically you need to convert the orientation of your page. Okay, so right now it is in portrait mode, so click on this file option, and then we have to just click on this page setup option here. So click on this file option here, basically click on this file option and then click on page setup here, and here you can see that we have to change the orientation. Click on landscape and click on OK, and now you can see that our page is now in landscape mode. Then go to this format tab and click on columns and convert your column into basically 2 or 3 columns here. So I will choose 2 here, and now you will see that our page is now converted into 2 columns here. Now you can basically start adding the different kind of elements into your document here. So let's suppose if you want to add some text here, heading 1, select the text and give it the style as you want. Then basically if you want to make a list here, just click on this checklist here, add some kind of text here like this, and if you want to add an image here, basically just click on this insert option, image, and you can basically upload it from computer. You can search it from online, drive, photos, URL or camera as well. So upload it from PC here, go to the desktop, and if I wanted to upload this image, just use this one, and here we have this image. Then basically move to the next column here, and same as for this. So that's how, and now it basically depends upon you that how you can basically customize this more. Okay, and if you want to add some kind of shapes here, just go to insert, drawing, and then new, and then from this menu here you can basically add some more shapes here. Okay, so we will wait until it loads up basically. Now from here, if you want to add a specific shape, click on this shape icon, click on shapes, and you can see bunch of different shapes. So if you wanted to add a heart, just click on this one and just drag and just hold and drag your mouse. Okay, and you will make a heart here like this one, and then save and close, and then you will see that this heart basically will appear on your column or on your document as well. And now here you can see that we have inserted this heart image. So that basically depends upon you. So that's it for this tutorial guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.